Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the Halo Apartments being built on Devon Road in Kingston. Now Devon Road is on the outskirts of New Kingston, a residential area. You can find Devon House on the other side of this development, on the other side of the road. Now this development is going to be 10 floors, but the building looks much larger than or much taller than 10 floors because some of the ceilings are going to be like double ceilings. So they're going to be twice the height of a regular floor. It has all the amenities of a modern building, swimming pool, gated entrance, all those amenities. And it's going to consist of 204 units. It's a massive development. And it's going to be a mix between 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units. And just to give you an idea, a 1-bedroom unit goes for about 260,000 US or around 41 million Jamaica. But this development is ideally located. It's a residential area, has a lot of units or houses in the area. And it's also located in close proximity to New Kingston, which is the business capital of Jamaica, and Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. Alright guys, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Now the article has the completion date as 2025, but I don't think this will be finished, probably early 2026, but it is moving very quickly. I must say, it's a foreign contractor. I think it's a Chinese firm. Okay. Welcome to Halo, where a visionary masterpiece is about to redefine the standards of modern living. Imagine an architectural marvel, a luxury residence that transcends the boundaries of contemporary design. This complex is a symphony of glass and cutting-edge aesthetics. Nestled in a prime location, this future gem is not just a dwelling, it's a lifestyle. Embrace the allure of a hotel-like ambience where every detail whispers elegance, with amenities that read like a dreamer rooftop infinity pool, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and investors. Okay, well, that is basically the end of the update article. It gives you an idea of what the unit is going to be like. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We will keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.